Hello, this is a video to show how to make a tube to follow a curve in Blender. This is the default scene. I delete the default objects, and then I add the cylinder, go to Add, Merge, and choose Cylinder. And then we can make it hollow. I will go to Edit Mode and snatch the face, and delete the top face, snatch the bottom face, and delete it. And then we can go back to Object Mode. And next we can add the curve. Go to Add, Curve. I will choose Bezier Curve. And switch to Top View. If we want to change the shape of the curve, we can go to Edit Mode. I press A to snatch all and S to scale up it. And then we can extend the curve. I snatch the point and press E to extend the curve, and R to rotate the handle, and E to extend, and R and S to scale down the handle, E to move it here, and R to rotate, and E to move it here, and R and S. If we want to add the point between the two vertices, for example, between these two vertices, we can right-click and subdivide to add the point here. Now I go to the front view and I move it here and snatch this point and move it here. And then snatch it and rotate, press R. Now I go back to Object Mode. Now we have a curve and the cylinder. I snatch the cylinder and go to Modifier Properties. We can add a modifier. I will choose Array. And then in the Array Modifier, I will use 0 in the vector X. In the vector Z, I will press 1 and increase number of counts. So we got the vertical tube. If we want to make the tube follow a path, we can add the Curve Modifier. And then in the curve object, we snatch the Bezier curve, or we can use the dropper to pack it. In the deform assets, we can change it to Z. Now we can increase number of array to extend the tube. And then we can make it smooth. We can go to Object Mode and select Smooth. And then check to merge the cylinder all together. And I want to make the shape more obvious. I switch on the wireframe. Actually, we can change the shape of the tube. We can snatch the cylinder and then go to Edit Mode. I press A to snatch the cylinder. And then we can scale it. And then we can add a loop cut. I will change it to 4 and snatch the loop edge and scale it. Now we can go back to Object Mode. So it has the shape of the tube. Of course, we can change the shape of the curve. We can snatch the curve and go to Edit Mode. I will switch to the top view. I snatch the point and move it here, and snatch the point to move it here. So we can change the shape of the tube. We can go back to Object Mode. And finally, we can add the thickness, snatch the tube again, and go to Modifier Properties, add Solidify. In the Solidify, we can find the thickness and increase it. This is how we can make a tube to follow a curve by using a cylinder in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist B. See you in the next video. Bye bye.